Here I have VIVO V11 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and here you should find and select language and input. Then let's select language at the top of the list and here you've got list of all languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me switch my language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Español and as you can see right now, you are using the list of Spanish version. The whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. Now if you would like to go back to previous version, just choose Ajustes, then you need to scroll down and select here Idioma y Entrada, tap Idioma again and here from the following list let's choose English. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.